Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone versus the drone with camera. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes in at an affordable price of $69, while the drone with camera is priced at $129. If you're on a budget, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone might be the better option for you. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone is equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture better aerial photos and videos. You can even enjoy a live video feed through the smartphone app. On the other hand, the drone with camera takes it up a notch with an HD 1080p camera. It also offers the flexibility to adjust the camera angle remotely up to 90 degrees. If photography and videography are your main priorities, the drone with camera might be the better choice. Moving on to features, both drones offer some impressive functionalities. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone stands out with its one-key start landing button, altitude hold, and 3D flips. It also supports voice control and gesture selfies, making it a fun option for kids and selfie enthusiasts. On the other hand, the drone with camera offers features like one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. It even allows you to define flight routes, use voice control, and enjoy functions like 360 degrees flips and gravity sensing. If you're looking for versatility and user-friendly features, the drone with camera has you covered. Battery life is always a crucial factor when it comes to drones. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 20 minutes. On the other hand, the drone with camera extends the flight time to approximately 25 to 30 minutes with its 2 rechargeable drone batteries. If longer flight times are important to you, the drone with camera takes the lead in this category. After comparing the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and the drone with camera in various categories, it's clear that both drones have their own strengths. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're on a tight budget and looking for a drone for casual use, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone might be the perfect fit for you. However, if you're more focused on professional-level photography and want advanced features, the drone with camera could be the better option. That's all for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you make a smart buying decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, happy flying.